This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Here's how to analyze and improve an essay, report, or blog post using Ask Gemini in Google Docs. Let's get started. This is an essay that I wrote, 750 words long, kind of about coin collecting and also the price of silver. And what I want to do is I want to use Ask Gemini to analyze the text and then also make some improvements. Ask Gemini, look for the little star in the upper right corner. It looks like a four-pointed star. If you hover over it, it'll say Ask Gemini and kind of shimmer. Click on that, and then the Ask Gemini field will appear. Now, only some paid accounts can currently access this feature. So this is a Google Workspace account. Some Google for Education accounts may have it as well, or paid Google One accounts. If you don't see it available and you have a free Google account to use Google Docs, you'll still see the star. When you press it, it will prompt you to upgrade to a paid Google One account. And the cost is still very cheap. It's like currently there's a promotion. It's like $10 for a year. I think it's worth it, and let me show you why. So let's analyze this text, my essay, and I said, analyze this essay for readability. What is the ideal age range using the original text? So that's the prompt I'm giving Ask Gemini. I'm going to press the blue submit arrow, and let's see what happens. Okay, so it gives me some analysis of the essay, the readability. It's written with clear sentence structure, but uses a moderate amount of specialized vocabulary, et cetera, et cetera. The sophistication is evident in the required understanding of specific terms, including numismatic jargon, economic, financial concepts, etc. And then the ideal age range. This is what I'm really interested in. The ideal age range for this essay is high school age and up, approximately 14 years old. Now, I want to say something about this because yesterday I did the same thing to this essay, and it said this is for adults 18 and up, based on the fact that it includes economic concepts. So I find it interesting that the analysis changes a little bit day to day. Regardless, let's say that I wanted to make this easier to understand. For instance, it says in my essay, I said, in 1980, I became a serious coin collector. Well, about as serious as a 10-year-old can be. Let's say that I wanted to make this whole essay suitable for 10-year-olds. I can ask Gemini to rewrite it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, rewrite this essay for 10-year-olds and try to preserve my voice. Because I just don't want it to completely steamroll my voice, which is pretty special. I want it to kind of use my voice, but make it change the text in a way that it's easier for someone who's a little bit younger to read it. So I'm going to press the blue arrow again, and it will churn through that. This might take a little bit longer. It's a 750-word essay, but let's see what it comes up with. Okay. So you can see this is getting longer. So here's the essay that it's suggesting. And I do recommend reading through any text you're going to be inserting from an AI, regardless of whether it's Gemini or not, just to make sure that it's not introducing something you didn't intend or misconstruing something that you said. So it's interesting. This looks a lot longer than 750 words. But what I'm going to do, let's say that I reviewed it and it looked okay. All I need to do to put this in the essay is to insert it. And then what I need to do, there's the old part of the essay. I'm going to kind of mark that off. So everything below the line here, that's the old part of the essay. I can delete that later. And what I can do is actually read through this and see if it's suitable. One thing I want to do is actually see if the essay is the same length. So I just highlighted the content. I'm going to Tools, Word Count. Let's see how long it is. So it's basically the same length as before. You can see the total length is 1448 and the current part that I just highlighted is 723. So that's fine. Maybe another thing I can do is I can say, okay, write a headline. Give me 3 samples. Headline or title, I could say that. And so it says, here are 3 headline samples for the essay. The Great Coin Hunt, My Childhood Treasure and Silver Price Crash, From Wheaties to Worthless, What Happened When I Tried to Sell My Coin Collection. These are all fine. If I wanted to put them in, I just press the insert button. But you can see how Gemini can be Ask Gemini can be a very powerful tool in Google Docs to analyze an essay, to maybe make some improvements, to change it in some way that's pretty profound. As I did, I changed the ideal age range. As I said before, be sure to read through any suggestions that AI makes because it can't be completely trusted. But if the text looks mostly okay, put it in there. And of course, you can always make edits to what the AI produced as well, which I do sometimes, like for instance, when I'm making marketing copy. I hope this video helped out. If it did, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.